Welcome everyone. You're watching YouTube channel of Space School of Business. I'm Mantosh, and today we are with Satish Garla, SAS employee. So Satish, introduce yourself, please.
Hey, this is Satish. I just graduated from Oklahoma State University last December, and now I'm with SAS working for the last 3 months. So it's going really great with me. I'm really enjoying the work I'm doing, trying to implement and see practical application of what we've learned at school and how those techniques and stuff is helping business.
So Satish, what kind of projects are you currently working on?
We do the same work because I'm very happy to say this because whatever we do in Oklahoma State in our data mining course, like we do predictive modeling projects. So I'm doing the same thing right now, building predictive models for I'm calculating risk for different individuals in healthcare industry.
So is there any difference, in between this project and the real-time projects which you have done?
Yes, definitely. There's a lot of difference in the sense when you're doing an academic project, you would look in terms of you don't have a very good support from the business, and you don't really look into a lot of business issues. But once when you do the same thing in the real life, the data is completely different. It's more complicated. You need to spend a lot of time in handling the data, and then you need to ask different questions related to how this is going to impact the final, the business goal. So there's a lot of thinking that should go in, and you need help and support from a lot of folks in the business.
And guys, you'll be very happy to know that he has submitted his paper and it's got selected. He is just out of the presentation, so let's hear from him. What was his paper all about?
I had a couple of papers. There are 5 papers that I submitted this time, and I was a primary author on one of the paper, and I'm the co-author on 4 other papers. So my paper yesterday was on comparison of k-means and normal mixtures and probabilistic clustering techniques. It was really good, and we wanted to show how using different clustering methods would help the analysts in identifying, in coming out with good results. And the paper today this morning was about text mining all SUGI or SAS Global Forum papers. So we wanted to identify the trends in terms of which industries or which topics have been represented across the decades in Global Forum proceedings.
So Satish, what message do you want to give to our current students?
One thing that I would suggest is it's just not the coursework, doing your exercises and following videos or lectures, but try to update yourself with what's happening in the analytics domain. There are people talking about new things. It's growing very fast. People are talking about big data, high performance analytics, cloud computing, and things like that. So keep yourself updated with what's happening, and you have to come prepared about just not the courses, the concepts I'm teaching in the class, but about what's happening in the world, and then face the interview with a lot of preparation from that side too.
Yes, most of them will be graduating this semester, and they'll be interested in getting a job. So what kind of job prospects do you presently have in your company?
In my company, I'm in the risk consulting team. It's basically we do a lot of consulting work. It's not on the risk, but on various business applications. So right now we're looking for people who are really good, who's got good who's really good in analytics, who are able to apply what they learned in school, and who is really good at what they're doing. So prospects include analysts who are good at predictive modeling, and also analysts who have a good technology background, in the sense you should be able to understand database servers and implementation, the software, or things like that. So that's going to make a difference going forward with big data and using different hardware. So you need to have an idea, just not using the techniques, but also how it's being done.
Thank you, Satish, and it's really a pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you.
And we'll be, hopefully getting more videos from Satish Garla, the SaaS man out here. So thank you for watching YouTube video. We'll see you again.